Hello everyone. Welcome to Basic Study Knowledge. As you know, we have started our basic grammar series. Before we proceed to our lecture, please subscribe our channel. Our today's lecture is about subject and predicate. When we make sentence, it basically comprises of subject and predicate. Or we can say that sentence itself is divided into subject and predicate. Subject is the part of sentence which can be the name of person or thing we are speaking about. It can be the thing or person about which we are giving the information, while predicate is a part of sentence which tell us something about the subject. It can be more clear from the examples. Let's see the example. He has a good memory. Now, here, who has a good memory? He. So he is a subject here, while the information has a good memory is predicate here. Let's see the second example. The sun rises from east. Here, who rises from east? The sun. So the sun is subject, while the information rises from east is a predicate here. While analyzing subject and predicate, there are the few things which we have to keep in mind. Usually, subject comes first, but occasionally it can be put after the predicate. For example, here comes the bus. Who comes here? The bus. So the bus is a subject here, while here comes is a predicate. But in the sentence, subject is not placed in the start of the sentence. It is proceeding at the last. Second point, in imperative sentence, subject is left out, which means subject is assumed. Writing or speaking, formally or informally, sometimes we assume the subject. For example, sit down, here, you is understood, you is assumed, you sit down. So in the sentence, you is subject which is understood or assumed, and sit down is predicate. While thank him, here, subject you is understood, you thank him, you is the subject and thank him is the predicate.